Hey paper lovers, welcome by my new YouTube video. And in this video I made a new book spread in my ECD planner. And so I have already made some pages in my planner. And you can see there is also a video, a flip through video on this channel about it. But today I show you how I made my pages and how I use my spray and my stencils. Now for this planner page I use the Tommy ink spray, the color is lime. I use the stencil, the scallop stencil from Craft Emotion. So you can see I spray a little bit inked about stencil, and I dry it with my heat tool. And so as you can see, it doesn't shine through to the other side. And you can use surface sprays. You can also use the dilution sprays or the distress ink sprays from Ranger. There are a lot of opportunities. You can decide which spray you want to use. And now we're done with the sprays. We're gonna layer our picture and use some embellishments and die cuts and stickers and tags. Now I use vellum to put behind the picture. It gives a nice look through. And then I also cut some design paper for behind the photo. And then we're gonna layer and we're gonna decorate the page. For the edges I use my distresser from Ranger, and it gives a little nice effect, the edges of the design paper. I also use a tag, put it behind the photo, and also I used how do you call it in English? And doily, yes, and doily. So I place it on my spread, and it's a little bit of the doily. I place it a little bit over the page, so it gives a nice effect through the other side when you flip down the page. And now I'm using some die cuts to decorate my planner spread. I'm not only use the die cuts on this page, but I made a few. So far I used a circle punch. I made a circle, and I cut out some stars from the design paper, and so this is a way you can make your own die cuts or embellishments to decorate your planner page. So now my first page is finished, and we're going to the second page. In this page there is already a shaker with stars. Maybe I think it's a good idea to in my next video to show you how I made shakers in my planner pages, but for now he is already there. So I decorate this page with also with die cuts, and also I use a spellbinder's heart to decorate this page. And now my planner spread page is almost finished. I use some gesso. I mix it with some water, and with the pencil I make some splatters on my planner spreads. I like to splatter with gesso, and also I make some splashes with black acrylic ink. It's look like it's popping out of the pages, and it is a really nice effect. So I'm a big fan of making splashes absolutely with gesso and acrylic ink. And I'm also using some washi for this planner spread. I like washi. It's you can rub it. You can put it yeah, everywhere. It's net a little bit extra effect which you place on your page. I like also to make my own washi, and I think that's also a nice idea for making a video for this channel. So now you never know, maybe also let you see in my next video how I make a shaker, and I think it's nice to show you also how I made my own washi, but for now I use the washi from Vicky Boutin, and now here I'm using my date stamp, and then my page is ready. I hope you enjoy my video, and if you have questions you can always ask me about it, and I hope you see you next time. Okay, bye bye.